What's up, makers? My name is Luke. Today we're going to learn how to help out the monarch butterflies by planting milkweed in a seed bomb. Monarch butterflies are rare and getting rarer every season. Their habitat and food source is reduced every day. There has been more than a 90% reduction in the monarch population in the past few years. Monarch butterflies lay their tiny eggs on only one kind of plant, and the monarch caterpillars only eat one type of plant. That plant is called milkweed. The milkweed plant grows wild all over the United States, but most people consider it a weed, so they don't let the milkweed live. Let's create a seed bomb with milkweed seeds to help milkweed grow, so that we can keep seeing beautiful monarch butterflies. For this project, you will need some clay or mud, some seeds, some soil, and a spoon. Start with a small piece of clay. I recommend using about the size of a meatball. Now flatten the clay and use a small pinch of seeds to place inside your clay. Push the seeds into the clay, fold the clay over the seeds, and roll it into a ball. Now use a small scoop of soil using your spoon. Mash your clay into the soil and keep adding more and forming it into a ball around your seed bomb. Remember, plants only need a few things to survive: light, air, water, and nutrients. Now that we've made one seed bomb, let's keep making some more. Milkweed is actually a poisonous plant, and as the caterpillar eats the plant, the caterpillar's body becomes poisonous as well. When birds eat a monarch caterpillar, it makes them very sick, so they avoid monarch caterpillars in the future. This is an adaptation that helps the monarch butterfly survive. There are many other plants that help bees, butterflies, and other pollinators thrive. Depending on where you live, there are specific plants and flowers that grow naturally. These plants and flowers are called native species. Unfortunately, many native plants and species like milkweed are not allowed to grow. By planting and growing native species, we can restore and sustain a healthy ecosystem for the many living things around us. Drop your seed bombs on the side of a road, in your backyard, or the woods. If you aren't sure where to put it, ask an adult for help. Thanks for watching this video. Share your creation online using the hashtag #ITeachMaker. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media @ITeachMakerBus. Peace out, makers!